OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all this thing down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, I genuinely mean this. It's a bullish market. It's not that I'm immediately going to start buying or anything like that, but I count it as a bullish market because it's in a demand zone, and technically if there's a double break, I'm not going to wait. I'll start buying like crazy. I mean, all I'm genuinely just waiting for is a solid double break here, you know. So first of all, I would love to see the first break taking place above 225 and then onwards, right? And if I don't see that, then there's just no way that I'll look to buy. With OPEN, I've also got a bunch of 25 results in the Discord right here, and without any sort of freaking double breaks, like I said, this seems like I'm very biased towards the long side. I am, but I'm only going to buy if there is a double break confirmation. That's it. Like, I'm not going to assume that things are just going to take the better turn. You know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.